We are further out with our project, have all the electrical and the water and drain all roughed in a proper location for the freestanding bathtub, and for our double vanity have a blocking for the cabinetry all in and marked up with all the dimensions so we know where it is when the time comes to install the cabinets. And again, the showers all roughed in for the water and the subfloors drop here, and here's our vent. So having this put in the wall, we lost some cool air here unfortunately, but we are putting that Area Pro vent on it in the tiled wall, so it'll be a really interesting one. Yeah, the pot lights are in, and also Panasonic super quiet bathroom fan is all in with even vented through the insulated in the attic and vented through the roof. And this is the one, if you see that little white box, this is the motion and moisture sensor. So we are not even putting a timer on it here because it just switch on and off. And sensors will take care of all the air movement, because it will know when it's too hot or someone's in, and let the fan run for a preset time. So we are ready to close the subfloor, have all the blocking in the floor frame all nice and level. So we are closing this down and starting to build up. So stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.